On licensed farms, crocodiles are carefully raised for leather production.
After purchase, the animal enters the processing supply chain.
The crocodile is safely transported to a licensed processing facility. At the facility, trained workers begin the intake process. The animal is carefully transferred into the facility.
The intake process begins inside the controlled factory environment.
Safety zones guide workers during the intake procedure. Veterinary inspection ensures the animal meets processing standards.
Each animal receives a documented health clearance. After inspection, the animal moves to the sanitation stage.
The sanitation stage prepares the hide for further processing.
Workers clean the skin thoroughly before the processing stage.
Industrial cleaning removes dirt and prepares the hide.
A final rinse clears the skin before inspection.
Workers inspect the cleaned skin before drying. Industrial drying removes moisture from the cleaned hide. Once dry, the hide is ready for leather processing.
The prepared hide moves to the leather processing department.
Inside the inspection room, specialists review the hide. A final inspection confirms the hide's condition. Technicians check thickness and texture before tanning.
Specialized treatments prepare the hide for tanning.
Technicians apply treatment solutions before tanning.
The treated hide is prepared for the tanning process.
Final checks ensure the hide meets quality standards. Quality inspectors confirm the hide is ready for tanning.
In the processing hall, hides are prepared for tanning.
Large vats wash and soften the hides before processing. Industrial rollers flatten and prepare the hide for tanning. Processing machines shape the hide into workable leather. Buffing machines refine the leather surface. Buffing machines refine the leather surface. Overhead systems move the hides through each stage. Tanning liquids strengthen and preserve the leather. After tanning, the leather develops its color and durability. Finishing rollers smooth and strengthen the leather. Precise measurements guide the cutting process.
Pattern templates guide each leather cut.
Computer-controlled machines cut each piece with precision. Cut pieces are sorted before assembly. Sorted pieces move to the sewing department.
Heavy-duty machines stitch the leather pieces together.
Skilled workers assemble each jacket piece by piece. Finished jackets undergo careful inspection. Inspectors check every stitch for quality. Hardware components prepare the jacket for final assembly. Workers attach buttons and hardware to complete the design. Press machines secure the jacket's metal fittings.
Final inspection confirms the jacket meets quality standards. Workers remove loose threads and polish the final product.
Completed jackets are prepared for packaging.
Each jacket is sealed in protective packaging.
Packaged jackets are boxed for shipment.
Boxes are sealed and prepared for shipping. Finished products move to the loading area.
Forklifts move shipments toward delivery trucks.
Shipments are loaded and ready for delivery. The shipment begins its journey to retail stores.
Retail stores receive the finished jackets.
The jackets are unpacked and prepared for display.
The jackets are displayed for customers. Customers explore the finished crocodile leather jackets. Customers try on the finished leather jackets.
After purchase, the jacket leaves the store with its new owner.
From factory to customer, the leather journey is complete. The final product becomes part of everyday life. From farm to fashion, craftsmanship shapes every jacket.